You the man.
Yeah, boys.
The mustache. Caleb didn't even have time to get set up. Pitts heard that gobble. Dude, that's a good bird.
Dude, that's a stud. He is. He's a good son. We're waiting on the pickup here in Houston. We had spent about 4.5 hours in this airport waiting on our ride. They're slacking, so we're waiting. Here they are. Kyle's gonna park in the handicap spot. Hey, the handicap's open for you, man.
We told them we're Ubers.
That's what we are.
Hurry, we're getting in trouble.
We'll make it work. Buenos noches. We're fluent in Spanish now.
Yeah.
We've been listening to Telemundo for 4.5 hours, I think. Without subtitles too, and I was picking up on it. Have y'all driven all the way from Gainesville?
15 hours, right?
Wow, straight?
No, we stopped at the hotel last night.
Yeah.
A little bit.
There he is.
What's going on?
Good to see you, man.
Same here. It's just y'all three?
And Pitts. What's up, buddy?
Good to meet you.
Good to see you again.
And what's going on, bud?
What's up? How are you, man? Give me some of the big knuckle. The one and only. I got a Frankie. I travel with my bow case, so, you know, a little too long put together, so I break it down, put it in there along with a bunch of other stuff. Traveling tip of the day. She's ready to roll, put together in red eye.
We got going tomorrow. You can get on Onyx.
And this is where we went.
Yeah, last year we were on that side.
You were right here.
Yeah.
You got the birds off the roots right here.
Right.
See,
Is it open in there? Like you maneuver around?
you can maneuver here. All he says that, I mean, I got to be there with Jeffrey. You cannot drive in the field because he's got typical. I mean, you got to understand that he's got grass.
Yep.
This spot right here is going to be. They got some big gobblers.
Oh, I'm not a morning person, but it's the first morning we're in Texas. I've got the Cliff Bar.
I think, honestly, it sounded like it's 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 or 3. I think we Let's just ease down. They're going to be on the other side of that food plot.
Let's go get the food.
I think we go get close to where we killed last year, maybe. What if we got like right here?
it was an interesting morning. We got raided by a gaggle of longbeards this morning, and everything, we had the perfect setup, but they were a little timid. There were a lot of hens with them. They kind of drifted off, but there's no doubt they're going to come back through here. I think once they get out there and get their little pecking order and established, I think some of these gobblers will split up. We'll be able to work them then, but might just be a little bit. So we're going to kind of ease around here as food plot up here. We're going to see if we can't see something out in there.
We got a little bit of rain coming in right here. We're gonna go grab something to eat real quick. Turkey hunters do sometimes when birds leave your property. Quit gobbling. Get a little bit of sprinkles and rain. Come back midday and we're gonna make a day of it. We're gonna move, gonna call. May sit a little bit. Even though we don't want to, you got to sometimes. You really do. And especially since we ain't hunting a big piece of property, so let's go do that.
I hear the cafe, they got breakfast ready.
Okay.
I hear the bacon sizzling on the griddle right now.
Let's go.
We just came up over here on this piece of property. They hunted it this morning and said they had some birds in here, but they were a little far off. All you can do is give it the old college try. That's what we're about to do. I tell you, on the first day in Texas, we covered 12.1 miles. Ain't nothing better than a hoist after a day like that.
No, como quiera, se van ahora con ganas porque les puse el envío que les puse.
Hey, that looks legit. That looks good. Looking good.
This one fell right there. Delicious.
I gotta get some of these shrimpies.
Shrimps, dude.
I like the shrimp.
Shrimps, potatoes. Careful of the mustache now. Don't get that thing dirty.
Hey, Mustache Militia's running strong.
That's right. We're still outnumbered, but we're strong.
Rise and shine. Day number 2, Texas. It's gonna be a good day today.
2:38. What time do we get there?
We got.
Ooh, I don't even remember.
We got there a little after.
We either ran them off.
We ran them off.
See, you the only one that's been over here.
There are a lot of birds here.
Where did they roost last year? If y'all,
They were all out in these
Those
open
things.
trees. Isn't there a creek back here,
There's a
Hector?
creek right here.
Okay, yeah. Because we came in from up here, and most of those birds were roosting in those open trees in the back.
okay.
Right there is where. Now, when I tell you there was birds in here, I'm talking about 20 to 25 gobbling. But they seem to be from these trees to back in here on that creek is where they
We're
were.
looking at that creek right now.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. But they would pitch down out there kind of in that little field right there is where they were pitching down at, right there.
Hands went left. Well, no luck on the first set.
Yeah, you could almost.
Cloudy, no pressure. They didn't gobble, man. We heard one distant gobble and there's turkey sign everywhere. We're gonna get out of here a little bit instead of walking it out. And I'll go check across the river. We tried to get across that creek, but it was too deep. So we're gonna drive around, see if we can't have any luck on that other side.
Creek too deep. Yeah, y'all got another one?
Bring him back up.
Y'all have a swap a caller out?
Abuse is so real.
He's 0 for 8. 0 for 8. Turkeys are everywhere. More turkeys than you ever seen in your life. He's 0 for 8 on getting a bird to gobble. Let's see if we can't get one straightened up.
Where was it at? Right here?
Good, Jay. Oh, yeah. Come on, big boy. Good, James.
Yeah, boys. Strutted the whole time.
That's a beautiful one.
He never came out of strut.
Hey, go. You know what?
Whew.
Virga's 1 for 11.
Hey, he took the mustache militia.
That's right.
Getting together.
That's right, dude. I tried to get him to go. I was popping him up a couple times.
Oh, I told you.
Hey, good job, buddy.
Hey, we okay now?
We are.
Hey. Ah, the mustache
Caleb didn't even have
militia.
he didn't even have time to get set up. Pitts heard that gobble. I think James heard it a smidge.
I was yelping in here and I thought I heard one. And I don't
When I sat right there, I saw him. I was like,
He only gobbled one time. He shot gobbled and that was it, and it was over.
No, he gobbled. And heck, he just came out right there where that stick was. He wasn't 100 yards from us, and we could barely hear him.
if he'd have been 3 seconds later, he'd have busted me getting to that tree.
Let's go get our head. Awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
He never came out of strut.
No.
Not a one.
I was trying to, you hear me cut a couple times? I was trying to get him to at least
Yeah.
gobble one time for me.
I know, and
I don't know what
I knew Pitts didn't have his gun just right, so when he got a little bit weary there at the end, dude, that's a good bird.
That's a stud.
He is. He's a good son.
Look at the beard on.
He's loaded and ready to strike.
Oh, he's good.
No, he's still loaded,
He's ready
man.
to hit you. This is who you were dreaming about last
You're
night.
good.
That's right, man. He's got some hooks.
It's a good bird, man.
He's a big old bird. I met Virga years ago. You know, he was doing a lot with Realtree's pro staff, and he's an excellent call builder as well. So we just started talking, and he started building me some calls, and we've known each other for what, about 10 years, 10, 12
8, 9,
years?
10 years, something like that, yeah.
Somewhere around in there, but we just met through Realtree's pro staff program, and he'd make me up some calls to my specifications and put them in the mail.
It's crazy how turkey hunting will bring. I've known Virga for 10 or 12 years. We've hunted together for 10 or 12
And
years.
he never even told you he built
A New
the call.
Jersey boy to a Louisiana boy to a Georgia boy. We've killed a lot of turkeys
All over
together.
the place.
Yeah.
All over the place.
Yeah,
That's what's so awesome
it's-
about the wild turkey. You know, what it's done for all of us. Brought us all together. And I mean,
Guess
that's
what?
the coolest part about
And-
it.
and
10th Legion, you know. It's all about
James
turkey.
did a heck of a job right there.
This is the first bird we heard gobble. What time is it? I ain't even got my phone, but we're probably, I mean, it's
9:35.
9:35.
9:25 probably.
That shows you though how quick that can happen.